Today we're taking a closer look at the YIHUA III Precision Soldering Station, a tool built specifically for high-accuracy soldering and professional electronics repair. This station supports C115, C210, and C245 soldering tips, making it versatile enough for both microsoldering and standard PCB work. One of the standout features of the YIHUA III is its ultra-fast heating system, reaching working temperature in just 2 seconds. This dramatically reduces waiting time and helps improve overall work efficiency, especially during repetitive soldering tasks. The station features a full-color display, providing clear and bright visibility of temperature settings and operating status. Combined with the flat piano key design, adjusting temperature and parameters feels smooth, precise, and comfortable during long working sessions. To protect your tools and improve safety, the YIHUA III includes an intelligent sleep mode, which reduces unnecessary wear on both the soldering tip and heating element when the iron is idle. In addition, the automatic standby function helps prevent accidents if the station is left powered on unattended. With stable temperature control and smart protection features, this soldering station delivers consistent performance for precision welding, rework, and electronics maintenance.